Now get up.
You should have brought your helmet.
Why?
Because you gotta make your muscle, man. He did it, yeah! What's your name, kid? What's your name?
Big
Okay. Adios, amigos.
Can I get down?
Yeah, let me see you get down. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, Grandma.
You are tough as nails. Are you okay?
Yes. Grandma was.
I had little girls. I can't deal with little boys.
Grandma.
But I am. Hey. Oh. Just go ahead.
Get in here. Come on, Grandma. In here.
It's too muddy for me.
Grandma's big.
I know. It's real big. It's big, big, big. I'm gonna look